Hi, this is group number 4 with Bradley, Simon, and Raphael in the group. And the title of our paper slide video is Cocaine and How It Affects Your Body. Drugs altogether can change synaptic transmission. They affect the brain by blocking a receptor for a neurotransmitter, by blocking the release of a neurotransmitter from presynaptic membrane, by enhancing release of a neurotransmitter, or by blocking removal of a neurotransmitter from the synapse and prolonging the effect of the neurotransmitter. Cocaine in particular is an excitatory drug. Here's a little history about cocaine. It used to be found in Coca-Cola, which made the drink very popular back then, but the cocaine had to be taken out of Coca-Cola since it is an illegal drug. Cocaine increases postsynaptic transmission. Here's a picture of the synapses in your brain when affected by cocaine and when not affected by cocaine. This shows how on the right side there's a larger amount of dopamine because there is the reuptake transporter is blocked by the cocaine. Here's a closer picture of a synapse affected by the cocaine. You can see the dopamine transporter is blocked by the cocaine, which means there's a bigger buildup of dopamine altogether in the synapse, which then affects the dopamine receptors more, and the intensity of the effect of the dopamine is increased largely. Cocaine also causes alertness, euphoria, and dopamine release. It also affects talkativeness and a temporary decrease in the need for food and sleep. It can also determine your emotional state. It usually causes erratic and violent behavior if used in large amounts. Addiction is a big problem with drugs altogether. It is defined as a chronically relapsing disorder that is characterized by 3 main elements: compulsion to seek and take a drug, loss of control and limiting intake, emergence of a negative emotional state when access to the drug is prevented. There are 2 causes of addiction that are mainly associated with cocaine. Dopamine secretion, also associated with feeling of well-being and pleasure. Overstimulation decreases the number of and sensitivity of the receptors, which leads to the tolerance of cocaine. Social factors involved with cocaine are family addictions, parenting, cultural traditions, peer pressure, poverty, social deprivation, traumatic life experiences, and mental health. These are all major problems with cocaine, which can affect your entire life and change your life. And finally, our assessment question is, what is cocaine and how does it affect your body?